Hello my lovely crafters, this is Crafty Sue 519. Welcome to my channel. And today is my Saturday mishmash. I don't have a whole lot for you today. I have a little haul. I have a card I received and my paper pumpkin came in. And we are also going to pick the winner for my surprise giveaway that I showed in last week's Saturday mishmash. I want to start off by saying a huge thank you to all of you who left me wonderful comments on the passing of our little dog Tiki. Yeah, that's a tough one, but we know she's better off where she is with her brother Tank, and it'll take a little time. We miss her little walking around the house, clicking on the floor with her nails, and you know, pugs are noisy. They love to burp and fart and snort and snore, and they make lots of noise. So it's a little quiet around here. Teddy, I think, is having a tough time too. He looks for her. He's been kind of lethargic the last few days. He doesn't have her with him. He would never even go outside without her. So, you know, it'll take us all a little bit of time, but we're doing a little bit better day by day. And, you know, you have those good days and you have the bad days. So let's move on to what I have. Let's do the card I received first. This is from Dana Mankey. And it's a thank you card. Not pretty. And she sent me all of these cute little pieces of ephemera. And she said, "Hi Sue, thank you so much for joining in my 4-year anniversary. I really love everything you sent. Thank you, Butterfly Crafts and Crochet, Dana." And we've got some pretty, look at that butterfly. Love butterflies. These are pretty. They're really pretty. And it would be great on ATCs. It's a big one. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. Beautiful. And a little tag. So thank you, Dana. You didn't have to do that. You didn't have to do that. I never expect or to get thank yous when I enter somebody's challenge. I do it because I want to, and no thanks needed. Went to Dollar Tree and I picked up a bunch of thank you cards. These are so cute with the kitties on them. So I've got 3 packs of those, I think. Nope, I got 2 packs of those and 2 packs of these floral ones. And I put these in my packages that I send out when people buy some of my plushies. It's easy for me to write a note. If you watched my video last week, you know that I use blank index cards for the insides of my cards, so I'm not using up cardstock for that. So I bought this at Office Depot, and there's 300 in here. So this is gonna last me a real long time. 300, and I think it was $7, something like that. But I have insides for my cards for over a year, maybe 2. The way I've been going, it'll be 5, because boy, I've lost my mojo. So my paper pumpkin came in, and I have not opened it yet. I just took the wrapper off it before I started the video, so you didn't have to sit here through that. So let's take a look. I'm excited for this one because I have seen a couple of pictures and they look really pretty. My ink spot, pretty peacock, very cool. Oh, 2 stamps. 2 stamps. Let's see. And we've got these flowers. And I'm not quite sure what that is, but I'm sure when I open this up, I'll see. It says, you rise above the rest. Your friendship is unforgettable. And you are capable of amazing things. Ooh, nice sentiments like that. And then we have this flower. Pretty. I'm gonna love that. I know it. Looks like a lily, doesn't it? Maybe that's a lily pad. I don't even know. I haven't looked at this. I think this is a lily though. You know, like the lily pad lilies. Okay, let's unwrap and see what else we got. Oh, it's all in one thing. So I can get this out of our way. Shoe stamp sets and an ink spot. I love those little ink spots. They're so easy to use. Let me see here. Hope you're all having a wonderful Saturday. I'm not doing anything. I'm not in the mood. I will crochet some more. I do have some cool plushies coming up for Plushie Wednesday. Of course, I didn't do one this past Wednesday because that's the day we lost Tiki. I wasn't in a mood. So let's see here. Sorry. Maybe I should open this ahead of time. Look how pretty these are. And it is a lily. It is a lily. Ooh, I like that. So, since I haven't made anything, I can't show it to you because I just opened it up. But let's see what's in here. We have some thread and a little bit of double-sided tape. We have these clear gems. These are awesome because you can take your ink markers and color them any color you want. I like that a lot. Hold on a second. And some dimensionals. Sorry, I had to close my door. Grumpy just came home from the store. And let's see. These are papers that you can make a card with if you like. I guess. Yes. Oh, it's lotus flower. Okay. Lotus. I don't know. That's supposed to go on there. Have to look at the instructions, but here's some card bases. That's cool. Ooh, pretty envelopes. Pretty, pretty envelopes. I love that. But it's already inside. Oh, and look at the insides. You got that one and that one to match the cards. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Ooh. Oh, I don't know if I'll use the envelopes or take them apart and use the paper because they're really pretty. And it goes all the way to the bottom. Yes. I'm guessing that folds like that. Make a card. Cool. Cool. Oh, I'm going to like this kit. Maybe this will help get my mojo back, huh? What do we got here? Oh, we have some banners that we can stamp sentiments on. Cool. Very pretty flowers. Very pretty flowers. Forget-me-nots. Very pretty. I have no idea what this is, but they're vellum pieces. Cool. It's got the lily pads on them. And here are the, well, lotus flowers. Pretty, and they just pop out, see? Oh, this is a pretty kit. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. I do like this. I do like this. So watch for that. I will try to make some of these this week. Hopefully. Alrighty. So if you watched my video in its entirety last week, around midway, maybe 3/4 of the way through, I did a giveaway. And all I was asking is that you put the word blue in your comment, and it was for these butterfly earrings that I got from Trudacy when I did a review for them. Aren't they pretty? But they are too big for me. And I figured I would give them away to someone who could use them. I guess I could have used them as a Christmas gift, but I wanted to share with you. So I only got 5 people who, I had gotten more comments than that, but that either tells me they didn't want the earrings or they didn't watch the whole video. It was a long video, I must admit. And that's why I did the giveaway in the middle to 3/4 of the way through for those who did watch the whole thing and if they were interested. So we have Rosemary's UROC Art, Petey Pie Designs, Ladybug Michelle B, Bertha Blessed Wilson, and Elaine McCall are the 5 people who put blue in their comment. And I have my wheel ready to go. Let's turn on some sound so we can hear this thing spin. All right, good luck, ladies. And here we go. Who will it be? Who will it be? Number 3. And that's Ladybug Michelle B. Congratulations. Congratulations. Please put a comment below that you've seen this, and I will have my email address in the description below. Please email me your address and I will get these earrings out to you next week, Monday or Tuesday. Alrighty, everyone. That's it. That's all I got. I hope I'm not forgetting anything. I don't know. I don't know. I'm off to crochet. Maybe I'll make cards. I don't know. I hope you all have a wonderful, fantastic weekend. I hope things cool off. It's been horrendous here with the heat. So anyhow, remember to be creative, have fun, and do something just a little bit naughty. Love yous. Bye.